the KATC Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, Acadiana still on track for the potential to see some strong to perhaps severe thunderstorms throughout the day tomorrow. But what I will stress is that we're not necessarily dealing with a widespread heavy rainfall event. In fact, it won't be raining all day long, but we will have the ingredients in place that if we do see thunderstorms beginning to develop, especially during the mid-morning hours and into the early afternoon hours, and then some of them could be on the strong to perhaps severe side. So just gonna have to watch the radar pretty closely throughout the day tomorrow. We'll dive into a little bit more here in just a second. But first, here's the setup with the upper level pattern and everything being driven by this area of low pressure off to our north and west. And today, late this afternoon, kind of taking on a negative tilt. And that is typically more supportive of severe weather. And thus, we did see a severe weather outbreak across the Arklatex through the course of the afternoon and early this evening, with several tornado warnings and still ongoing threat of severe weather there and into Arkansas here late this evening. Now here in Acadiana, we are relatively quiet, and that batch of storms is actually going to be bypassing us off to the north tonight. So no major issues for us through tonight, maybe a few isolated showers, but that would be about it. Now looking ahead to tomorrow, those showers and storms are going to start to progress eastward throughout the day. And as we take a look at the severe storm risk, all of Acadiana, or at least most of Acadiana, still under that level 2 out of 5 slight risk. And enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5, remains in place for extreme southeastern Acadiana, and then over into southeastern Louisiana, the Florida parishes, and then into south Mississippi and southern Alabama as well. Primary threats are going to be damaging winds and the potential for some isolated tornadoes with any thunderstorms that do develop and turn severe tomorrow. But again, that threat's going to be maximized in the enhanced risk area, but nonetheless, still going to have to watch the radar pretty closely here at Acadiana through tomorrow. Temperatures again tonight, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. So it's mild, muggy, and damp out there. That's where we're going to start the day tomorrow. And then notice it's going to be more so a broken line of showers and storms that are going to be pushing through. So that's why I'm saying it's not really a widespread heavy rainfall event or anything like that. But again, what we're going to have to be on the lookout for are some of these individual discrete cells that try to develop. Those are the ones that typically turn strong to severe. And again, by afternoon hours or late afternoon hours, the bulk of the activity is going to start to push out of here. So for us, timing is mid-morning through mid-afternoon, and then by tomorrow evening we're going to start to settle things down as all the rain is going to be pushing out of here, and then we're turning cooler. We're in the low to mid 50s by Wednesday morning, and it's still going to be, we'll call it mild into Wednesday afternoon, mostly sunny skies, mid 70s, but dew points are going to be lower, so you're going to notice that reduction in the humidity for sure. So feeling good out there for the middle, and that'll carry over into the latter parts of the week as well. High temperatures only in the 60s both Thursday into Friday. As far as the spin potential, again, we're still going to have some spin potential here locally tomorrow, but it won't be quite as strong as what they were seeing across the Arklatex this afternoon and through this evening. And then for tomorrow, really that the ingredients are going to be maximized across the basin into southeastern Louisiana late tomorrow afternoon, where they have the most instability and most wind shear within the atmosphere. As far as rainfall amounts, again, most of us not picking up a whole lot. I think most spots picking up less than an inch, but of course there's going to be a couple isolated spots that could pick up a little bit more than that, more so across the basin into southeastern Louisiana. So we'll go 69 for the projected low tonight. Again, mostly cloudy, mild, and damp out there. And for tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms, timing mid-morning through the mid-afternoon hours. Low to medium threat for severe weather as well. We'll go 78 for your projected high, so it does remain warm. We have that alert day posted for you, so just make sure you're remaining weather aware tomorrow and keep it tuned to KATC for the very latest. Thereafter, smooth sailing for the rest of the week. Again, fair to partly cloudy on Wednesday. Will be a little bit cooler, but definitely the lower humidity is going to be most noticeable. And then we remain in the 60s both Thursday into Friday under mostly sunny skies. And we'll call it chilly eventually, getting back for our overnight lows. They will be back in the 40s.
All right, more winter-like, I guess.
Yeah, it's kind of been that winter up and down here in Acadia.
We're used to it. All right, thanks, Brad.